Then over there we can see that, oh, maybe it's talas in Indonesia. You see the talas could we could eat talas for the yam under the trees because it's very delicious to eat. And also it could be a chips from talas. And the leaves, as you see that the leaf was very strong, and if you watering these plants, maybe the water will go down and fall into the ground. And from the there's an idiom from Indonesia. It's called bagayan di daun talas. It means someone who talk but it was useless talkative. They caught here. They base these leaves. And we're going down. And look over there. There was a banana leaves, banana tree. I means, and these trees only make a fruit for one time in their lives. After that, they will die like that. And don't forget, banana trees can't be. You can't watering banana tree every day because if we if it can't washed by the water, except the heavy rains, it will be die. And this leaves, it was it's kind of like a pumpkin, but I don't think so. It's a pumpkin because they grow underground. And what's this? Look, this is another plant, and oh, it's like a. You see this? It's like the plants that branches, another plant branches that want to sucking around these trees. And this is yellow and green leaves. It's unique. And don't you see, this was amazing plants. This is the plants that you could plant at home. And what's this? Oh, it's spiky. I think it's same with this, but it's a different, if you touch this spike, you will be, ow, it was hurt, so sharp. And look, and what's this? It's another plant. This plant was very amazing, I think, because it's I wonder. Oh, they're cut in half. What's this? Oh, kind of plants for home, for gardening. And as you see, gardening makes us very relaxed for hobbies maybe. But at home, I don't like actually I like gardening a little bit because it makes me relax. How to soil the plant and how to make sure the plant's still alive as our pet. Okay, then oh my, there are many talas here, or yam. It's used for taro drink. That's purple. They use this plant to to made it. Thank you.